Alright, how's everyone doing today? It's Sunday, the 30th of December, and yesterday we were taking care of the animals, and my sister noticed that our water hydrant was seeping water up from the ground. So I dug the hole, noticed that it was leaking, was not happy. It was 33 degrees, playing in the water, the mud. But I figured out what I needed. This morning, I ran uptown, got a new hydrant. Had to dig out the hole a little bit wider and a little bit deeper to get below the nipple. Fought with the hydrant because the person that installed it decided that some type of adhesive would make it stick better. It stuck. I was cussing, but I got it broke free, got it out, got the new hydrant in, turned the water back on, made sure it wasn't leaking, filled the hole back up, and finished taking care of, my sister finished taking care of the animals, water for the animals. I was not happy. 32, 33 degrees today. Cold, miserable, bone-chilling cold, soaked in all the way down into my bones real bad. I already got a bad neck and bad lower back, and when they get cold, it's just miserable on me. This 1 hour job took me almost 4 hours, but got it done. Got the house back with water. Animals are taken care of. This is just part of pride and ownership. If you like what you own, and you take care of it, it will treat you good. The hydrant just went bad. It just broke. It cracked. It'll never do that when it's 70 degrees outside, nice sunny day, beautiful weather. No, it's got to wait until it's 30. But that's just the way it is. So, pride and ownership. We love our little farm. We love our house. This is just part of the maintenance and making sure everything is taken care of. So, there's my little spill on what I did the last couple days. I'm in the house staying warm now. I got the fire going. Got my pellet stove back there fired up. Got a nice little flame on it. House is getting warm. I'm getting warm. Everything is good. I'll see y'all tonight at the big show. Blues Coins. Y'all take care.